Good morning, this is Mrs. Merrill, and I wanted to give you some instructions for our virtual day today, March the 9th. There are 4 things that you need to work on today. Number 1, you need to complete the focus or bell ringer on our Google Classroom. Please complete it on paper, show your work, and have it ready to turn in on Thursday morning. Number 2, you're going to be working on a handout sheet for Learning Target 8.4 Inscribed Angles. It's the second worksheet that you're going to be doing on this, and I will have given you this sheet on Tuesday in class. If you do not have it, it is listed on our class webpage under the date for March the 9th. The third thing I'd like you to do is the GoFormative. It is a GoFormative assessment. It's Learning Target 28 or 8.1. It is located at the top of the classwork section. Just click on it and it'll take you to GoFormative and then complete that. And then fourth, there is a second GoFormative that you'll need to do. It's titled Learning Target 29 or Merrill Learning Target 8.2. Again, these GoFormatives are located at the top of the classwork section. Just click on the link and it will take you right there. So today you're basically going to do 4 things for me. Number 1, the bell ringer. And then number 2, you're going to do the second worksheet on inscribed angles. We would have done one in class the day before, but this will be the second one. Remember, there is a video and a PowerPoint on inscribed angles if you've forgotten how to do that. And then activity 3 and 4, you're going to be doing GoFormative work. They are again listed on the top of our classwork section. You're doing Learning Target 28 and 29. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.